Now, for some reason, they've been allowing people to park in the right lane. Doesn't make any sense to me. It just narrows things right down. Yeah. We'll keep going straight at the stop sign. We're going to turn left here at the stop sign again. Pigeons. Those things are brave, man. They stay there until the very last second, until you can't see them anymore, and then they fly away. Left turn. So this time we don't have a pure later truck in the way, so you'll be able to turn into the left lane. We'll see if the police officer turns into the left lane. A lot of people make the mistake of going over to the far right because we're all wired for that, to turn into the wrong lane. Or the right lane. Yeah, he did it correctly. He or she. Good driver. We'll be turning left at the stop sign.
Okay.
You're managing your space here as well. It's good. You just use your signal.
Oh, do it. Okay.
Yeah, signal mirror blind spot. It's all good. Fun, eh?
Turn left, that is?
Left turn, yeah.
Okay.